In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find an IKEA student discount code using Google. Whether you're shopping for dorm essentials or just trying to save a little extra on furniture, this quick process will help you locate publicly shared discount codes in a few simple clicks. Start by opening your preferred web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type the phrase IKEA student discount code and press enter. Using this exact phrase helps Google surface pages that curate current codes rather than general articles about discounts. You may see a mix of ads and organic results. That's normal. For this method, we're looking for a specific coupon aggregator site. Now scroll down the results until you see the Worthy Penny website. It may be labeled as a coupons or deals page for IKEA. If you notice sponsored entries at the top, simply continue past those until you find the Worthy Penny listing. This site collects user submitted and verified codes in one place, which makes it faster to browse what's available without hopping across multiple pages. Click the Worthy Penny result to open it. Once you're on the page, you'll typically see a list of discount offers. These may include percentage off, deals, limited time promotions, or student-oriented savings if any are available. Next to each offer, there's usually a button that says Show. This button is designed to reveal the hidden part of the code. Go ahead and click Show on the offer you want to try. After you click Show, the code will appear on the screen. Sometimes the site may also open a store page in a new tab, but the key thing here is the code itself. Take a moment to read any short notes or terms next to the offer, such as expiration dates or category exclusions, so you know what to expect. When you're ready, click Copy. This copies the code to your clipboard so it's ready to paste when you check out on the retailer's website. Keep in mind that coupon aggregators pull from many sources and codes can change, expire, or apply only to certain items. It's normal if some codes are seasonal or limited. To stay organized, you can paste the copied code into a temporary note on your device so it's easy to retrieve later. That's all there is to it. You use Google to search for IKEA student discount code, scrolled to the Worthy Penny listing, opened it, clicked Show to reveal the code, and then hit Copy so it's ready when you need it. Happy saving and thanks for watching.